Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Well, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Canada, from the Princess Patricia's Canadian Light Infantry Kit Shop, the PPCLI Regiment Kit Shop, and let you do your own research on the PPCLI, but from what I was able to quickly look up, it's named after Victoria Patricia, the first Colonel-in-Chief of the regiment. And let's go ahead and see what we got. And I recommend you check out the kit shop, ppcli.com, and go to the kit shop tab. We have a large variety of items, not just what we ordered here. This is just one item today, but things you can use to possibly complete a impression uniform or reenactment for display or reenactments, that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see if I can get an edge into here. One of these sides. These scissors, just more precise if we have them. Okay. So I'll get this cut here. Okay, we're definitely in now. Alright. So we have multiple pieces here that we can take out because we have a manifest. So it looks like it might have been inspected or it might have been packed in order to ship it. So what we have is a manifest too. The PPCLI Regimental Fund, non-profit. Okay, so what we have, here's our sheath. We have a PPCLI VP100, and from my order description, it is designed by Brent Besh, who was a former member of the regiment and then went on to Canadian Special Forces. And this one in particular, the VP100, is an evolution of the design of the 100th Besh. And the one that I ordered, I believe, should be maple leaf, not numbered. And the 100th represents the Centennial of the regiment in 2014. And if we go ahead, you can actually see, even in the diagram right here, the Besh wedge, which if we pull this out carefully, so we got a whole bunch of stuff here for mounting. And this comes with all sorts of stuff. Nice. Oh wow. Magnet. Thank you. And the blade itself. This comes with all sorts of stuff. Yeah, featuring the Besh wedge. Strongest knife tip in the world. Years of making. That's it. There's a bunch of stuff in this box. Very cool. So that's the contents there. 12-inch blade. Made in Taiwan. Interesting. So there are other Besh wedge designs from a variety of manufacturers, so feel free to check them out. Not just wherever this one was made, but oh wow. Trying to see what a balance point is without dropping it. That would be kind of interesting if the Besh wedge went right through this flat surface, but it is roughly right here, the balance point. It's very nice. Oh, yeah, I can see what they mean by the steel selection. So we got G10 handles, feels like. These are VP100 maple leaf, and it is not numbered. It is exactly as described. Taiwan. We have two serrations here, upper and lower. Both sides are ground the same, so we can see here what is described as the diagonally opposing bevels, which converge to create a third cutting edge, which is right there. Very interesting. A lot going on in this here. Literally triple ground, and then they converge to here, this edge. So, you see how it's attached. You could probably put some paracord or even something else, a leather cord through here for a wrist retainer. This is very nice. Let's see what else came with it. So we got the sheath. Fits in there quite nice. Here's our molly mounts. Plate, the actual mounting plates. That was already sealed in there. And the kit screws themselves. See all those. Very nice. I recommend having something like this around to keep pieces. And then we have this, the little brochure. Very interesting. Take a quick look at that. Congratulations. So it comes with use and maintenance, sharpening instructions, warranty, glass-filled nylon injection molded sheath. That's how you mount it on your belt buckle. Here's the description of the features. So, very nice. Again, this is from PPCLI, and they're a model VP100, but in this case, maple leaf crest, not numbered, so it's not an actual issue regimental knife, just so you know. This is from the kit shop. Okay, so I would classify this as a 100th anniversary, but also as a reproduction, I think would be the best way to describe it. So it is an actual knife, no doubt about it, but it is not regimental issue. Okay, so this is for public access. So again, PPCLI VP100, ppcli.com. Feel free to check them out. They got a lot of stuff on the website, so feel free to check them out. There's been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series of Curios for the Curious videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.